Welcome to Goodman Exim Consulting. I am your guide to EPR compliance. The new CPCB portal is now active. Let's look at how to register.
Let's open the website of New EPR Portal, as you can see in the video. The new portal is called Common Extended Producer Responsibility, CEPR Portal. Going forward, all EPR registrations will be managed by this single portal only, and a user can operate from this single portal all other EPRs, as you can see in the screen. Now, let's navigate to the top right section. Click directly on the Register button. There are 3 pages for the registration. The first page is User Verification. In this page, you need to enter your GST number to verify. After that, you need to fill in your company details and registered email address and registered mobile number, which will be verified after you receive OTP and submit it in the portal. You cannot move to next page unless you have completed the first page details. Once you have submitted all the details and documents successfully in the portal, you will be registered, and you will receive the user ID in your registered email and mobile number for future reference. Next step is to log in with your credentials, and you will see different EPR tabs, such as plastic, e-waste, battery, and others. Now, for example, if you already have EPR plastic, you just need to go to the plastic folder and click on Link, and your existing EPR plastic will be linked with it. Similarly, you can link your other EPR in it. Isn't it easy?
I hope you found it easy. For more details, please contact us on given email or mobile number.